Hi, my name's Tommaso, and today I have Charizard Pencil Case. I'm gonna open it today. Woo!
Oh, that's beautiful.
I didn't know.
Perfect for school.
Temporal Forces and Twilight Masquerade.
Awesome.
Let's start with Twilight Masquerade.
Good luck, Tommaso.
Black code card. Oh, yeah.
All right. Tangela. Chansey. Clefairy. Shinx. Mightyena. Reveroom.
What's a rubber?
Florges. Lucky Helmet. Clefairy. Okidogi. Is that a hollow?
Yeah.
Nice. Awesome.
Wait. This isn't Shrouded Fable. If I got Okie Dokie, Okie Dokie's from Shrouded Fable. That's really odd.
That's a nice card. I like it.
I like this tin. I like this pencil case.
It's perfect
what
for
I
back
like.
to school, isn't it?
Yeah.
Great. What's the next pack?
Temporal Forces.
Cool.
Black code card. Oh.
Black code card is good, right? It means
Yeah.
at least you're guaranteed a hollow. I think that's what that means.
I saw the reverse hollow in there.
Okay, what do we got? Roselia. Cutie Fly.
Cutie Fly.
Drillbur. Reller.
Well,
Sandy Shocks.
oh, that's cool.
Cool. A hand trimmer.
Hand trim.
Rabska.
Oh.
And Totodile. Relicanth. That's kind of cool.
Oh,
Okay. Iron Thorns. That's nice. Is that a nice hollow?
oh!
Beautiful.
This is my favorite card I've got.
Can I
out
see
of
it?
this pack.
Let's show the viewers. All right, guys. What do you think of this one? Have you seen it before? That's kind of neat, hey? Wow, I love it. Well, pretty good score, Tommaso. Hey?
Score,
All right.
guys.
Okay, bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.